Hello guys, in this video we try to make phaco chop for beginners. First we make the main incisions by nicking limbal vessel with a sign small bleeding, and we inject the anesthesia and epinephrine intracamera. Look, that small bleeding, nicking limbal vessel to make the wound healing faster after operation. Okay, we make cystatome just small on the edge of the cystatome. Okay, that's one. We modified based our interest, and we hydrate the trypan blue that's staining the anterior capsule. Okay, we inject cohesive OVD to flatten the anterior capsule, and using cystatome to make flap. Just make flap. For the beginner, I recommend using cystatome for good flap, and we continue the capsular axis by using Utratra. If you pro enough, you can do it just using Utratra, but for the beginners, I recommend using cystatome to make flap first. After that, you can continue by using Utratra. Okay, that's good. Using, okay, make a bigger rhexis for the beginner is a must, because small rhexis you can get a frustrate process in the phaco smoothification. Make sure make bigger rhexis, and we do hydroresection on the 2, 12, 11, and it has to be spin. If it cannot spin, you cannot win, said the deaf gun. Okay, using Sinskey. We inject. Using Sinskey, we spin the nucleus, spin. We will win. Okay, it spin. We will win, inshallah. Okay, we do the phaco now. Using modified phaco chop. Why I call it modified? Because I make groove first, not for stop and chop, but for make a space to grab the nucleus like a quick chop. For the beginner, I feel so hard to do a quick chop, so I prefer make a groove first, trench first, and I grab the nucleus at the space on the trench. Okay, the first try is failed. Okay, rotate the nucleus, try to the thick part. Okay, and grab the nucleus, grab, and chop and eat. Yeah, for the beginner, I recommend grab, chop, and eat. Despite you chop small part and you eat later, I recommend grab, chop, and eat. Why? Because if you chop, you can get confused by so many small part of nucleus in the anterior chamber, and if you grab, chop, and eat, you can get a full visualization of the anterior chamber, and you can see the anterior posterior capsule still intact or not. If you make a little chop, small chop, small part of nucleus, it's good. But for me, for the beginner, I prefer grab, chop and eat one by one. Yeah, beginners. Okay, maybe I try to fix my microscope to get clearer. Okay, and rotate, okay. Don't be rush, just relax. Don't be rush. If you want to take a break first, it's okay, take a break. Put away your phaco chip from the eye and take a breath and continue if you more relax. Okay, grab. Okay, we try grab the easy one, grab the easy one. Okay, and chop and eat. Okay, rotate, grab, chop and eat. Okay, grab, chop and eat until it's clean. Grab, chop and eat. Okay, grab, chop and eat. Make sure your chopper in the safe position. The pointed one always away from the capsule, posterior capsule. The hardest one usually in the last part of the nucleus, because the posterior capsule can move to anterior and touch our phaco tip. So make sure the phaco chop always posterior to the phaco tip to protect the posterior capsule, prevent the posterior capsule go anterior. Clean. We got clean central. Maybe just a little remaining cortex surrounding the capsular bag. It's okay. We put the IOL first to make our irrigation aspiration of the cortex more safe, because with the IOL in the back, it's protect the posterior capsule, and we can make a little risky maneuver for the beginners. Beginners always do risky maneuvers, especially in the cleaning the cortex. Okay, we load the IOL by ourselves. The beginners has to load it, the IOL into the injector by herself or himself. Okay, inject. Okay, directly to the capsular bag. One haptic still out. Okay, we move the optic part, the hard one. Okay, yeah, okay, it's good. So we clean the remaining cortex more safe, because the posterior capsule have been covered, protected by the IOL. Look, my risky maneuver, it's okay. I not so fear, because the posterior capsule always protected by IOL. Okay, that's the hard one. The remaining cortex near main incision. It's hard one. So for the every beginners, I recommend put IOL first before you clean the remaining cortex near the main incision, because it's hard. You don't want the posterior capsule to be break after a long journey before this one, right? Okay, I inject the carbachol before this one, and I clean. Okay, quite clean, and I do hydration. I hydrate. I shoot just the roof, not the wall, because if we shoot the wall, it's make the more astigmatism. Okay, we test. Yeah, good. See ya.